flower than emeralds and rubies and glimmering carbuncles. I am yours and full of goodwill, humble, faithful and true. Lady, I would have liked for you to know this by yourself. It would be time for my heart to rejoice through you. And if I were happy through you, let who wants it take Paris or conquer Damascus, and let who wants it be rich. For there is no gold nor silver, tower, castle or palace that I'd like as much as a kiss that you, lady, would give. And there's no day I'm free from this desire. And I am no parent of yours, uncle, brother, nor cousin, but I am loyal and faithful to you, humble and obedient to do your bidding. And there is no time when I complain, and there is no other to distract me, nor will there be as long as I live. See then what you'll do about that. I have had my share of torments, of love, and I have learned them well. And up to now I have not traded those 1,000 ills for 2 joys. But if you were well disposed, you would lighten my great weight. For I don't give up on loving you. I would hold you even dearer, and make songs and lies about it. Beautiful mouth, white teeth, beautiful look and pleasing visage, well-shaped body and graceful posture, perfection and beautiful education. You have learned, woman, and there is more in you. Greatness and true fine virtue and reason, courtesy is yours, and it thrives and is renewed. God badly curse the false savage slanderers that plot every day to debase joy and virtue and courtesy, and nothing else saddens my